Barabara-ini ya Ngong Road guku Nairobi ni barabara iria yakitwo na makiria ya ciringi bilioni 4 itanya-ini ni ari kuhuthia mithiire undu umwe na kunyihia muthianiriro wa ngari barabara-ini ino. Ona kuri uguo undu ndwakinyanire riu muthianiriro wa ngari undu umwe na mitino itanathire githii na mbere na kuonekana makiria itena-ini ria gatatu na ria mwisho ria waki wa barabara ino. Kanitha-ini wa Sitam Ngong Road guku Nairobi nyumba na arata Catherine na Chayo mbadu no kihamayo irie ngoro-ini maria amwe aria matunyitwo aria mendete ni barabara ino kwitukira mutino ria wahanikire ciumia 2 hituku ugitiga andu ana matete mioyo yao eri magitigwo na nguraro njoru.
Captain went to the place and he did not even wait. He jumped right into the ditch, got to the daughter's place, right, opened the eyes and talked straight in the eyes of kids. And after that, he came back to where I was and he told me, my dear, she's no more.
Catherine na gatatu eri mariraia ya bururi wa Canada mateire mioyo yao thutha wa ngari iria mahuthagira guthie kanitha-ini kugwa irima-ini riria rikoragwo na ndaraca ya mugithi na iria itarigiriirio ni mwaki wa barabara ino.
This accident was the negligence of KURA and Kenya government. The road narrows as you approach the bridge and turns into right, clearing 2 lanes, which the car went straight.
Irima riri riria riri na uriku wa futi ta 40 rikoretwo riri githinjiro kia aingi icunji cia ngari iria itigitwo guku iri kionereria kia aria manathirira haha.
Ni ndirahitukire hau muthenya wa ira na ndirakora ni harekirirwo rail guards na ni hamake hanini. Rail guards icio itirariho. Riu kiurio keyuria hihi niki maundu ta macio matagikitwo mbere.
Tunaona hii barabara hapa kuna kaupinde pale kidogo. Na huyu mtu wa gari alikuwa amechukua tu laini na ako speed. Hakujua kama kuna kaupinde, hakuna kitu inaonyesha pale ya kwamba kuna mahali kuna upinde. So he just came, akakuja tu straight na akaingia.
Sam Kioko ni umwe wa aria manekora kanui-ini ga gikuo barabara-ini ino agitaririo ria mwakire wa barabara ino ukoretwo gicungiriria mitino.
Mambo mengi ambayo yanastahili kufanyika kwa hii barabara yangali bado hajafanyika na bado watu angali wanaendelea na maisha yao ya kawaida na shida bado ama maisha ya watu yanapotea.
Mathaini ma utuko barabara ino ekagia ugwati makiria kuona ndiri na matawa ma barabara guku ningi kiega gwikirwo raini cia kugayania reni ciayo.
Hamna taa zile zinajulikana kama street lights, hamna bado. Hamna madaraja za watu, vivukio hizo za watu kuvuka kutoka side nyingine kuja hii side nyingine.
Kuringana na OCPD wa Dagoretti Francis Wahome namba ya mitino iri hanikire barabara-ini ino irathie na mbere na kuongerereka riu agitaririo gwati munene uri ong'etheire ahuthiri ayo.
Ngong Road is still under construction and the road does not have security rights. Based on the fact that the road is still under construction, the road has not been properly marked. The drivers are not at times keeping to their required lane. Where the accident happened, as I had earlier said, the road is still under construction. You see, on the showground side, the bridge was done, but on the Dagoretti side, the bridge has not been done.
Igeria ritu ria kwaraniria na ruhonge rwa uthondeki wa bara rwa KURA ritina ciara maciaro riu ruhonge ruru rukiaga kuheana mwerekera mukinyaniru iguru rigie waki wa barabara ino. Mitino mingi iria icungiriire ikuo undu umwe na nguraro kuria huthiria barabara ya Ngong Road no ihota gwithemano nayo kugikinyanira honge iria ithukiirwo kihoti gia gwaka barabara ino no cikinyanirie uigirereki na guthondeka kuria kuri na mahitia barabara-ini ino. Handũ-inĩ ya Kameme TV kuma barabara ya Ngong Road guku Nairobi, ritwa rakwa ni Bataru wa Mwagi.